Welcome to LoadRunner 11. Ajax TruClient is a new advanced protocol for modern JavaScript-based applications, including Ajax. The protocol emulates user activity within a web browser. Scripts are developed interactively in Mozilla Firefox. Let's start by creating a new Ajax TruClient script. What you see on the screen is a browser-based virtual user generator that includes full support for recording, scripting, and replay of scripts for web applications built with Ajax. This new and innovative recording technology allows capturing and replaying for nearly all Ajax toolkits and ACID2 compliant applications. The recording is fully interactive. You can see the creation of the script while you record your actions in the application. As you can see, the script automatically uses the name of the widgets in the application. This protocol is based on a new approach to automatic object recognition. This enables a more flexible and extensible solution which reduces script maintenance and is agnostic to the specific framework or toolkit being used. Let's start debugging the script by replaying it. During the replay, you can see the actual actions of the user replayed in the browser. We can see that we have an error in step number 7. However, if we look at the actual application, we can see that the selection of the accounts has actually failed. If we try and highlight the object being used by this step, we can see it is actually recognized. The TruClient recording engine automatically understands and suggests alternate automation steps, saving you time on script debugging and troubleshooting. The alternative steps may also provide a step that is easier to use with parameters. In our example, using the alternative step that is not based on the actual text in the control enables us to continue replaying the script, as we will now see. We can see that the replay has now succeeded to select the appropriate accounts. However, the script seems to be stuck on the step that actually selects the date in the date picker. We will use the highlight function again to see whether the actual control that the step is working on is available in the application. We see that the relevant control cannot be found. In this case, it seems we are missing a certain step that's required to complete the script. TruClient records all the events, and if you're missing a step, all you need to do is change the resolution and select the missing step. In our case, all we needed to do was to switch to the second resolution level and select the appropriate step. This step is the step of click on Date text box. We can see that once this step was added, the replay completes successfully. Now we'll continue to actually develop the script. The first thing we'd like to do is add a parameter. Instead of transferring a fixed amount of money, we'd like to add a parameter that enables us to transfer a different amount of money each time. We create a parameter in VuGen just like we'd do in any other protocol. Now that the parameter was created, let's return to our script. From the toolbox, we'll add a step that actually evaluates a JavaScript expression. We'll add a variable that actually gets the value of the parameter we've just created. We can now use this variable transfer amount in our script. We'll replace the fixed value in the type step and use the variable we've created instead. The next thing we'd like to do is add a verification step. We select the object, and now we define the value we want to verify. In this case, we want to make sure that the amount actually contains the value we asked to transfer. Let's replay the script to make sure it's still functioning after the changes we've made. Now let's add a transaction that measures the amount of time it takes to perform the money transfer. We want to repeat this action several times, and therefore let's add a loop. Let's try and replay the script again to make sure everything's working. One of the best parts about the new Ajax TruClient virtual user is its rock-solid replay. Because the script is developed from tracking of real browser events and objects, the replay of events into the same browser is nearly flawless. The replay logs are available through VuGen. Let's learn a little more about object identification. Object identification is a major component of this technology. To ensure correct object identification, various functions have been provided. The Improve Identification options will let TruClient relearn the object you're using in the step. If this doesn't help, you can enhance the identification by teaching the system about one or more objects that are related to the one you want to use in the step. Other manual options for object identification are also available. These include XPath and JavaScript code. This demonstration has introduced the new Ajax TruClient protocol. You can learn more about this and other related features in the HP LoadRunner user guide.